Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome to day 53 of Run the Year 2021, and also day 22 of our 22-day slim stomach challenge, or flat stomach challenge is what I'm thinking of. So today is where we actually get to do this objective, where we get to see where we were from the beginning when we started at the beginning of February to today, day 22. So first of all, welcome all of our new viewers and subscribers to the channel. We're here, it's all about positivity, it's all about motivation, it's all about inspiring people to get out and go move your body. At a minimum, do something today. So hopefully you will. And we have Krista in the back. She's here, she's she's ready to go. And so first thing, let's see, so let's put this here. And we'll do the subjective, which is, let's see, let me get this set up here. Yeah, I'm trying to work this here. Okay, there we go. So we'll do the subjective, which is where we are with our stomach. So I have to say, I see a difference. So I think for Jeff, I think he's right. It does work. I do see a difference. And then the other thing is we're going to see where we are with our lower back strength. So the way we do that is, and Krista, do you want to demonstrate or do you want me to demonstrate?
You can demonstrate.
Okay, so I'll demonstrate. So what we want to do, and what you can do is, I'll post something so you can see it right up there of when we did it for day one. So what you want to do is you want to start with your legs up, right? And so what we're going to do is we're going to gradually lower our legs while keeping our lower back flat on the ground. So at whatever point your lower back comes up, that's where you should have started when we started this for day one. So here on day 22, we should be further than where we were before. So, and again, this is working the transverse abdominis and the pelvic floor. So what we'll do is we'll gradually lower, right? And again, as we lower, we're looking to get 1 inch off the ground with our heels, but maintaining our lower back on the ground, right? So my lower back is still there, it's still there, lower back is still on the ground. So I'm going to 1 inch off the ground, about right there, and I'm just going to hold it, right? And so when I started, I was able to do it for about 10 seconds. And then we were waiting on Krista to set the timer, and she set it for 20 minutes when we first did it on February 1st. So now, Krista set the timer for 20 seconds.
Yes.
All right, so the timer should be set for 20 seconds, and we'll see if we can hold it for 20 seconds. And if you go back and look at the video we did on the first, Krista, we don't know what Krista was doing. I don't think she knows what she was doing, but she was having a good time. And that's really what it's about. It's about having a good time and getting it done and moving our body. And that's what we did. We moved our body. So that's 20 seconds. So that's all we got.
See, look, now we're in here.
See, look where she is now. Wait, they can't see it. Now look where she is now. Look at that. That's awesome for 20 seconds. See that? Awesome. That is so cool. Krista, you rock. You rock. Give me some. Give me some. Bam. She rocks. So with that, guys, that's all we got. Tomorrow, I think we're going to start a new one. I'm thinking about, because I do a lot of running, those that have plantar fasciitis issues or heel pain, some stretches that you can do for that, because it definitely helps me. It may help you. So again, hey, if you like what you saw, hit that like button down there. And if this is your first time here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Do us a favor. It doesn't cost you anything. And hey, invest in yourself, invest in your health.
Thanks, Rick.
We'll talk to you tomorrow.